Hi friends, welcome to your channel. Today we see how to create a YouTube channel for few easy steps. YouTube is the world's biggest video platform and second largest search engine in the world. Also the best earning platform for all types of peoples. Let's see step by step to create the YouTube channel. First, you will create a new Gmail account or existing Gmail account for create YouTube account. Then open YouTube and sign in with a Gmail account on YouTube. Click on the user icon on the top corner of the screen. Choose on create a new channel. Then create a channel name with your name or choose a custom name. The next step is to fill out your profile and channel description. This is the first option you see after you have created a channel. Here, you should describe your brand and what viewer can expect to see on your channel, and also a great place to add links to your website and other social media networks that you use. This description will appear in more than one place on your channel. We will see step by how to manage and upload videos on YouTube channel on next video. For more information, subscribe our channel.